Right, a little one that might help you out. So, mk5 Golf. Yesterday the missus tried opening the boot and the boot wouldn't open. And then it flashed up on the dash saying fog light out one side and then a brake light out, no, reverse light out on the other side. And the window wiper, the rear wiper stopped working. So I was like, well, all of them things couldn't have gone individual. It's all due to something. So I had a little look around in that lot and I found the problem. This was yesterday. So I thought I'd do a quick video because it might help a few of you out. And I looked around and scoured online and whatever else. And this is what I found. Right, so literally this was just doing that. That wasn't opening at all. Wasn't responding at all. So all I've done is pop this out. So all I've done, I'm probably going back over this, but all I've done is pop that down, undo the tape. And crimped the earths back together, the one that was broken. But loads of these, yeah, loads of these are split and whatever else. The condition of them. So this is a temporary fix, but it's done the job. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.